break, break, chop, chop, bake, bake, boil, boil, slice, slice, knead, knead, dough, dough, roll out, roll out, cut, cut, roast, roast, grate, grate, mix, mix, fry, fry, grill, grill, melt, melt, mash, mash, steam, steam, pour, pour, peel, peel, strain, strain, spread, spread,